Vigorun Tech, one of the top and leading RC mower manufacturers in China, focuses on the research and development of remote control and autopilot intelligent machinery. They are widely used in lawn mowing, weed cutting and bush trimming, suitable for orchard, steep incline, front yard, garden, wasteland, mountain slope, and so on. The Yamaha lawn mower remote control adopts C and EPA approved gasoline engine, adjustable blade height by remote control, 200 meters long distance remote control, travel speed up to 6 kilometers per hour. We are looking for distributors and dealers all over the world. You are welcome to contact us with any questions.